Hi, welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. Thank you! Going to visit a former place. Sama lang po kayo. We went for a long walk and visited two neighborhoods. Please enjoy this little ride with me. Please visit often and I will do the same. Sama lang po kayo palagi sa mga biyahe namin. And this is going down the valley and this is our former place. Dito po kami nakatira dati. Now, itutur ko naman po kayo dito sa mini walkway dito sa amin. Sa maliit na garden at the back. So many things change. No more apple trees. Checking out the new pig on the block. We used to walk around here when we were still living around these neighborhoods. And this is a long stretch of park that goes at the very end to the other side of Border Road. And this is the mini vineyards, and some farms have a strawberry fields. This one caught my attention. Gusto ko nga pong kunin kaso mahirap. Napakaganda po nila. Simple lang. Now we're finally leaving the park. Dito po ang labas niyan, around our neighborhood. Sa dati po naming neighborhood. From time to time, nagbibisita po kami rito kasi syempre, dito rin po lumaki yung anak ko. I hope you like this mini road trip and the parks. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Pasuporta din po sa Eat Avenue. Please support Eat Avenue. You can find the link at the description box below. Please subscribe on both of my channels. Thank you.